Hello angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be talking about the new Barry M Shipwrecked eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. Wait, it looks exactly like this. There is so much beautiful shades in here. Like, I'm really excited. I'm literally obsessed with this palette. I'm excited about the beautiful matte shades in here. Like, obviously, I reviewed one of their older palettes, which was the Treasure Chest palette, and there was a total of 3 matte shades in there. So I'm actually excited at the fact that there is a lot more, a lot more. Like, there is one. No, this is a shimmer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know if this is matte. Yes, it's actually a matte. It's a matte with a bit of glitter specks in it. Oh my god, this is actually duochrome. Oh wow. How is that possible? I don't know if it's visible. Anyways, today we're gonna be dipping into this shade and we're gonna see how it goes. They're just so beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm actually so excited. Okay, I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done and I will come back and start with the palette. Okay, I'm back. I have done my eyebrows and I tightlined my eye. I don't know why I did that. Oh wait, I do. Because I don't want my eyes to water. It's been a bit weird today. So I just decided to do that out of the way. So now I'm gonna take my P. Louise eyeshadow base and I'm going to apply it on my eyes. As usual, I have to have my mirror very much close to me because I can't see. So anyways, I'm gonna be taking my Morphe E23 brush and I'll be taking the shade here. Oh, by the way, it's vegan and it's got 12 months shelf life. In this shade here, and I'll be applying that into my crease. Ooh, I like that shade, you know. That is such a beautiful transition shade. Oh, by the way, as I'm dipping my brush into the palette, it's very, very powdery. Okay, I'll be taking my Real Technique. It says Deluxe Crease brush or something. So I'm gonna be taking this color here. I'm gonna be taking this color here. Right. I'll be applying that just right above my crease. Okay, I'm gonna be using my E13 brush and I'll be I don't know what look I'm going for today, but okay, I'll be taking this dark brown shade, this shade here. I'll be using that. I'll be putting that in my crease. You can work your way through it, basically. So that's saying something. And that's more than I can say for other shadow palettes though. So I haven't decided what look I'm going for today, but I'm thinking, let me I'll be taking this brush here. It's one of these MSQ brushes. I'll be dipping into the I wanna use this shade, and I also want to use the shade, but I also want to use this shade, so I'm torn. I'm really torn. I don't know which one to do. Okay, I'm thinking I'll go into the blue, then I'll work my way from there. This blue is not as it doesn't come off as pigmented as it shows on the pan. I guess it might be beautiful. I think it's more or less of a transition shade, so I'm gonna leave that. Actually, I'll be going in to this one here. It's like a dark green, like an emerald green, to be honest. Looks good though. A bit ashy. It's a bit cool toned, but looks good. I'll be using this PS eyeshadow blending brush. It's from Primark. I'll be going to the blue, and I'll put that here. Whew. Just trust the process, babe. Trust the process. I know it's looking a bit crazy right now, but it would come out, okay? Well, I hope. The green is totally gone, but no worries, we'll go back into it. I'm gonna be taking my P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I'll be cutting my crease because we're doing a halo eye today, so I need one of my small tiny brushes. Alright, I'll be going into this shade here. I'll go in wet. Okay, this brush is not wet, so let's see how it's. Ooh, reflection. I'll be taking this brush here. It's one of my MSQ brushes. I'll be taking the green shade, and I'll be putting that here. Anyways, I'll be going back in with the blue, and I'll just add it to the edge. Alright, I'll be going back in with one of my MSQ brushes with nothing on it, it's just stained. I would be blending out the blue so that there is no harsh lines. Like that. Okay, I could maybe add this silverish. Should I? Yeah, are there. Mm. Just right in the middle. Bang in the middle. Mm. I'll do my eyeliner and mascara and lashes. Then I will come back and give you guys my final thought. Okay, I'm back. I finished my face, right? Done the highlight and everything. And you know what? I love the eye look. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna be putting the dark brown. Actually, I'll be putting this blue eyeshadow. I'll be putting that in my waterline. So it's a bit smoky, isn't it? Now just smoke it out. I'll be putting this shade or this one. Or this one. I don't know. I'll be putting that in my tear duct. I'll be using my Mario Badescu facial spray. Alright, I'm back. So now, starting from the first row, I'm gonna be swatching all the shades. So, as they don't have names, I will literally just, I don't even know what to do. But I'll be swatching it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start from here and do the rest of the shades down. I'm going to the black. Okay, not bad. Look at that blue. Green, brown, the blue. My thoughts on this palette. It's not the best out there, but it's okay. Like I said, there's a lot more matte shades in this one than there was in the Treasure Chest palette. And these metallics here are a lot better than that other one. I don't know why. I don't know if they've changed their formula or something. I don't know. But these ones show up a lot more than the other one. I do recommend it. Like I said, I do recommend it. But you just have to, you have your work cut out for you, you know. As a beginner, I don't know if you're gonna be able to work with this palette, but it's okay. I don't have anything bad to say about it except the fact that this blue shade was a bit of a disappointment. The green one is okay. Like, I feel like the green one showed up a lot more better because I put down the concealer first, which shouldn't be the case. Like, I understand why the blue one is a bit like it disappears into thin hair, but the green one shouldn't have, you know. It's a lot more darker. It should be a lot more pigmented, but I don't know. But I love this color here. This was great. This was beautiful. As in, they all swatch okay, to be honest. Even the blue one swatched a bit ish somehow. But on the eyes, as you can see by the eye look that I created, as in they are lovely. They are pigmented. But I think Mariam should work harder. They should work harder, to be honest. As in, it's a good palette. As in, it's great. It's only $12.99, and I got it from Superdrugs, and I got it for the 3 for 2 offer, whatever. So that was great. But If I was to finish this right now, I would not repurchase, because I've got a lot. I've got other palettes in here that I look better, you know. So I don't like the color selection. As in, to be honest, if I was to lay down this blue by itself, I feel like it's showing up on me as a black instead of a blue. So I'm confused as to why that is. But I don't know what to say about that. Anyways, if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.